I came to radiology a little bit later and kind of through a different route. I was initially going to be a surgeon, specifically a cardiac surgeon. And I spent several years doing research in that space, and one of my research projects involved looking at imaging, cardiovascular imaging. And so I spent a lot of time with our cardiovascular radiologists learning about how to analyze the data that we were collecting as part of this research study. And in doing that project, I realized that I had a real strong interest in imaging and the combination of anatomy, disease, and just kind of this visual art of looking at images. And so I decided, somewhat to the dismay of my surgical friends and colleagues, to become a radiologist. But that background and training that I had in the surgical subspecialty, or at least experience, really helped me as a radiologist. The other thing that I'm enrolled in currently is the RSNA Advanced Grant Writing course, which we're in the middle of this course right now, but even in the time that I've been involved in the course has been incredibly informative. The course leaders and the directors of that course have a tremendous amount of experience with grant writing, which is a kind of a fundamental part of a junior academic career, is being, getting NIH grant funding. The grant writing course was a very important part, and has been a very important part of my development as an academic, junior academic.